Oh, hello. Okay, so we are having a Black Friday sale for MedsMap. It's been out for a couple of years, so it's going to be 33% off. I'll be teaching you the fundamentals of digital painting. You'll get the complete course and save money at the same time. You'll get 18 lessons and 18 assignment prompts that go with them, a brush pack, photo reference pack, member access to the community page, plus 6 of my classic Gumroad tutorials, and about 5 hours of bonus footage. Get yourself geared up and prepared for MedsMap 2 coming out hopefully by Christmas. That's the plan. Use the coupon code Black Friday at checkout to save a lot of coin.